Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Bobby Hemphill, and I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you out on my lot today to show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have the 2012 Toyota Camry XLE. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with power heated side mirrors, chrome window trim, and high solar energy absorbing glass. Given its well-rounded nature and long-standing history of dependability, the 2012 Toyota Camry is a solid choice in the highly competitive mid-size sedan segment. This Camry has 17-inch alloy wheels and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and a tire pressure monitoring system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Camry is in great condition. It has projector beam halogen headlights with auto on and off, along with fog lights and a really nice chrome accented grille with the iconic Toyota emblem to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Camry has a front-wheel drive, and it's estimated that drivers receive an impressive 28 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Camry has only 35,882 miles on it. At the back of the Camry, you can see the antenna and the chrome-tipped exhaust, along with the large brake lights and sleek badging. Using your key fob, you can open the trunk lid for easy access to the cargo area. Look into the cargo area. You see that it's very spacious. You can even lower the back seats right from the cargo area for more space as needed. This cargo space also features cargo lights for packing and unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this Camry has been very well taken care of. Passengers can utilize the fold-down armrest with the cup holders and the bottle holders, as well as the seat back storage. There are also children's safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice wood grain and chrome interior accents. Drivers and passengers alike will be very comfortable in the power adjustable heated leather seating. Here are the easy to reach controls for the power side mirrors, the power door locks, and the anti-lock and the power windows with driver auto up and down and pinch protection. This Camry has a very comfortable tilting telescopic and leather wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well lit instrument cluster. Now, here's a feature everyone can enjoy: the power tilting and sliding moonroof. This touchscreen display is home to your multimedia and navigation features, and it is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a CD player. It's MP3 and Bluetooth compatible. You can easily connect external devices using the USB and auxiliary ports. You also have dual zone automatic climate controls, and everything that you see is very easy to use. Now take a look at this backup camera. It is very clear, has guidelines, which will make backing up a breeze. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions for us, please call us at 888-272-5869 or visit us online at sparkstoyota.com.